Mr. Pawan Kalyan, you speak about jobs, you speak about plans for Andhra Pradesh. I heard your speech and you speak about NASA. So you certainly are giving a roadmap to the people of Andhra Pradesh of this entire alliance.
You have to understand the kind of human resources we export to US and other countries, there's a great amount of human resources migrate to other countries. I said my contention is why can't it be used to Andhra Pradesh or India? That's what Modi's vision, that's what we're all striving to achieve at that time.
Do you think, there was a lot of personal attack against the current chief minister, psychopath, sociopath. What makes you think that he is not taking care of the people of the state?
See, when you're seeing it from Delhi or when you're seeing it from because when you go to the grassroots, when you go to the local area, then you'll understand the pain. Imagine if you go and give some kind of, you want to go against, you want to open up your voice about some policy or something, a simple protest. Can you imagine that can be lodged into sedition case? That will attract attempted murder case. How many attempted murder cases? How many SC/ST atrocity cases for no fault of theirs? At the same time, SC/ST people have been forcibly, they were put SC/ST atrocity act cases. It happened only in state of Andhra Pradesh. The more you go deeper into AP, the pain is so deeper you can't even imagine it.
There is one more pain of absence of a capital, that Andhra Pradesh doesn't have a capital city.
Capital is a growth engine for any city. Okay, if you want to go to India, what is the capital of Bharat? It is New Delhi. If you go to Telangana, the capital is Hyderabad. What is the capital of AP? We don't know. This is a man who is running the state for 5 years, and this man is on bail for 5 years. And people are asking us. I said, this man is out on bail, and he is telling us whom to be whom to follow. We have to follow the rules. Who came out from the bars?
My last question to you: what is happening on 4th of June?
4th of June, we are winning. Sure shot victory for NDA, TDP, BJP, and Jana Sena.
All right. Thank you so much.